Hello guys, welcome to this week's edition of our pre-market analysis. We'll be looking at the Euro USD weekly and the daily time frame. So we're not going to be looking at the monthly because this is not the end. I think we still have 1 or 2 working days before the month ends. So if you want to watch the monthly analysis that we did in the beginning of August, just click on the link above. We'll be directed to the video with the monthly analysis. Now without further ado, let's get straight into our analysis. Since last week we were saying that we were expecting 2 cases. We're expecting a case of a false breakout and also a case of a bearish breakout. So what we can notice is that the price came and broke this level. So this is an order block level, which for me it's a resistance area, right? So the price broke through this, and now we can see that the price formed a bullish engulf straight after forming this bearish. So this is still the case for our false breakout. Okay, in the case of a false breakout, we'll be expecting that this zone won't be able to hold as a resistance area, and then the price is going to move to the upside, break above this high, pull back to retest them before moving to the upside. So in the case of a bearish breakout, what we'll be expecting is the scenario where this zone is going to hold as a resistance area, and then the price will reverse from here and then move to the downside. But what I want to see, like from my own perspective, what I want to see is the price break this low. So if this reversal comes and break this low, retest it, then it will be probable that the price will be moving to the downside. Also to note on the downside movement is that we have an M pattern here. So apparently the price is broken the neckline of the M pattern, and now it's retesting it again now as a resistance area. So once this holds as a resistance area, we'll be expecting that downward push to come and break this level and then retest before moving all the way to the downside, probably coming to aim 1.08260. Then structure wise, also we can expect that the price can range between these two zones, 1.17932 and 1.22785, right, before breaking either to the upside or breaking to the downside. So these are the movements that we'll be expecting on the weekly chart. Now we move on to the daily chart. On the daily chart, what we can see is that that breakout is also applicable, right, because we're doing a top-down analysis. So what we'll be expecting is a scenario where, since it's retesting this area, if this area holds, we'll be expecting the price to push to the downside, and we'll be waiting for it to break this 1.16702 low, retest it before moving all the way to the downside. So this is a case of the bearish breakout. Yeah, so in the case of a false break, we can notice that the price formed an order block here. Like this is an order block that it formed right on this false break. So what we'll be expecting is that the price might either come and test again, or maybe this order block before moving to the upside. But what I'm likely expecting is a case where it is going to come and test this level, right? So it can come and test this level, break to the upside again. So once it breaks above 1.7932, what I'll be expecting is that it will retest it, and once I see a bullish sign here, I'll be expecting the price to move all the way to the upside, coming to test 1.21158. So this is the bullish scenario, and the other one is the bearish scenario that we'll be expecting. So this will depend on how the market will roll out, but these are the plans that I have as far as this pair is concerned. So ladies and gentlemen, thanks a lot. These are the scenarios that I had for you. Thanks a lot for your likes, your shares, and also your comments. Apologies for responding to the comments late. I'm only going to do it now. Having said that, that leaves me to say, manage your risk well, grind the markets with grit. Roy Machingora out.